Hey everybody, welcome. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Gimkit's new game mode called Tag Domination. The purpose of the game is to tag the people on the other team, and when you do that, they join your team, making your team bigger. And then the end of the game is when the time runs out, or when all people have joined one of the two teams at the beginning. Gimkit already made an update to their game. They had it so that you had to sell your energy to get money to purchase upgrades. But now all you have to do is sell your energy directly to the upgrade stations. We will take a look at the different upgrade opportunities in a few minutes as the video goes along. Right now you can see me running around because it's my turn to tag people. I just ran out of energy while I was chasing that person, so they got away, and I need to answer some more questions so that I can continue moving around to try and tag more people. Right here I see somebody in this hallway, and I'm going to go after him. You'll notice that I only have a few seconds left in the recruit time, so you got to be careful because if that runs out, he could turn around and then tag me, and I would be on that person's team. This little hallway costs money to enter because there is an escape portal in the middle of it, which is very expensive to get to. When you go into that escape portal, it shoots you back outside. Basically, it's an expensive way to escape if someone's chasing you there. This little cell station you see right here is not part of the map as of this morning when I played the game today. Down here you can see that there is another little escape portal. If you were to open that up and someone was chasing you, you could take that to get out of that area really quickly. I do appreciate the update that Gimkit made where you do not have to any longer sell your energy for money, and which then you use to buy the upgrades. You can just sell the energy straight to the upgrade stations. So you can see it shot me out here in the middle, and I'm in the evade stage, and there was somebody standing on the other team right next to me. Here are some of the upgrades. The different options you have are upgrades that make you run faster. There's some that make it so that you can hold more energy, so that you can run further essentially. There are some that make it so that you automatically earn energy every 7 seconds. And there is one that gives you more energy per correct question. And I also figured out this morning that these upgrades are stackable because there are multiple purchase stations throughout the map. So if I were to buy 2 of the speed upgrades, I would be faster than somebody who purchased just 1 of the speed upgrades. There are a few convenient places throughout the map to hide. This is one of them. I'll let you find the other ones. The person that hosts the game has the ability to put up on the screen who is on what team, so you can see how big each of the teams are. And these games can seemingly seem like they're going for a long time, but then turn very quickly if everybody on one team gets tagged really fast, which is what happened at the end of this game. Lastly, the music you hear in this video is not the music you hear in the game. The Gimkit music is more of like a softer dubstep type of the music. That's the end of the game. The kids loved it, and we'll do it again.